Okay, so she has taken my order here. Now, I want to say that I really do appreciate all of my subscribers. We're going up close to 2,000. I really do appreciate you watching the videos. And I know some of you probably stumble upon the channel and you might like the content, but you have no idea who this person is. So I just wanted to, let's just chit chat a little bit today. Of course, my name is Rebecca, and I started this channel a couple of years ago. And the reason that I started it is, let me just back up a little bit. About 3 years ago, I decided that I wanted to semi-retire, which means cutting back my hours of working. And I initially started this YouTube channel on financial stewardship because that's my background in business. I've always had a business on the side, even when I was doing my corporate work. So I started this YouTube channel on financial literacy. And I wanted to focus primarily on stock market and trading the stock market because, you know, it's important because I see, particularly for African Americans, Black people, we don't focus that much on money because we didn't grow up with money. We didn't talk about money around the kitchen table. So, and seeing that there was a need, I decided that I would focus on the stock market. And I did it for about a year. I had the channel, it's still out there. But the only problem I had with it is when you're dealing with the stock market and you're giving updates, things change on a daily basis. So I would have had to actually be recording daily, and that's not something that I wanted to do. I was trying to cut back my time, not add to it, and I was only posting once a week. So as you can imagine, the stock market fluctuates each and every day. So the content will be outdated if you're only doing it once a week. And so I said, well, you know, I don't want to do that because I don't want to be responsible for anyone missing the mark because the content is not up to date. And I did not want to grind every day because the whole purpose was to, you know, to have more valuable time. So what I decided to do is to start this channel. Or, well, at the time, I wasn't really thinking about starting a channel. What I was thinking about doing, I was like, well, what can I do? Why don't I just relax and chill a bit? So what I decided to do is, like so many of us who live in Atlanta, and some of you probably know, you live here, but you haven't seen a lot of what the city has to offer because of working all the time. And that was the case for me. I spent my whole life grinding that I haven't really seen the city of all of the attractions. I had been to the King Center. The King Center's been out there, I mean, decades, and I'd never been. And the botanical gardens and things, and different museums and what have you. So I said, you know what? I'm going to enjoy take in some of the attractions. And I thought, well, why don't I make videos and bring other people along with me for that whole purpose. And really, when I look at the analytics on my channel, most of the people are 55 and older. I think about 50% of the people who watch my channel are 55 and older. So I wanted to thank you so much. So one thing I want to encourage, if you're older, you know, these to get out and to enjoy some of these attractions. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And enjoy some of these attractions, and that's why I decided to start this channel. That's how it came about. And as far as myself, now I am homegrown from right here in Georgia. I was born and raised here in Henry County. Attended high school here, and after high school, I went on to get my business degree from Morris Brown College, and lived in California for a few years, and later went on and got my master's degree in accounting and taxes. And my entire corporate career was primarily in taxes, corporate taxes, and most of that time was spent working at AT&T corporate office in tax planning and research. Not actually doing tax returns, but actually researching tax laws to make sure that we were in compliance with tax laws. And from there, in scaling back, this is something that I really enjoy doing and bring you along with me. And like I said, I really do appreciate all of my subscribers. And as far as family is concerned, I am the youngest of 5 children. Both my parents are deceased. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers who are wonderful. We get along, have a great relationship. But this is, I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I hope that you are. And I hope that you will subscribe to the channel, leave comments, because that helps to grow the channel and to build community, which is something that I want to do here, and get to know my subscribers and what you think and how you feel. And I know a lot of times I watch videos, I don't leave comments or what have you, but I would like for my subscribers to be engaged. I really do.